Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to apply the mask in the CapCut application in your mobile system. In this video, I will explain to you two methods of the mask. One method is how to apply the mask without the background picture, and second one method is how to apply the mask with background picture. Come to the mobile, open the mobile, and then open the CapCut application, click on it, and then click on the video. I want to apply this one video, and then click on the mask option. You can see here I want to apply rectangle mask on above video, and you can increase and decrease the mask size, and you can set the position of your mask. And you can set easily, and you can apply the corner round option also available. I apply the mask on this video, and you can move your picture from one place to another place on the background picture, and you can also move the text from one place to another place where you want to place it, and you can easily move the picture as well as text. And then I want to export this one video. Click on the export option. Exportation will start here. Depend upon your internet speed, you can easily send your video on the WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, etc. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to apply the mask feature without the background picture. Now, second method is how to apply the mask with the background picture. Come to the mobile again. Open the application, CapCut application, and then select the one video, open it, and click on the plus button, and then click on the background picture, and then click on the add button. You can see here, this is the background picture, and I want to overlay this one background picture. You can see I want to exchange the background picture as well as your video to one another. To equalize the background picture to your video, you can see here I want to shuffle, and I want to exchange the background picture and your video, and click on the layer, and you can easily exchange two layers from one place to another place. You can see here I want to exchange the background picture and your video. You can see above picture is your foreground become, you can see the above picture is your become the your foreground picture, and another one is become the your background picture, and you can also set your background picture. And now I want to apply the mask. Click on the mask option, click on the mask option, and then click on the rectangle option, and then you can see here you can adjust the mask by your finger, and you can move, and you can squeeze, and you can minimize your mask. This is the round corner option. I want to round the corner of my mask by this option, and these are all options available here. Size, rotate, feather, round corner option is also available. You can see here you can increase and decrease the x-axis, y-axis. Click on the position. You can also change your mouse position. Click on the your video, and then you can also move your video picture, and then I want to export this video. Click on the export option. Exportation will start here, and you can easily send your video on YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, etc. So in short, in this video I have explained to you how to apply the mask on your video in the CapCut application in your mobile system. There are two methods. One is apply the mask without the background picture. Another one is apply the mask with the background picture. If you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.